Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels video on your phone. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. For example, let's find a reel that we really enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Let's say
Learning to play guitar.
it's going to be this one over here. You click on the three dots underneath, right? And then you want to copy the link. When you copy the link, then you want to come over here on Google and you want to Google for Snap Insta. You click on Snap Insta and this is where you're going to paste your link, okay? When you paste your link, you will find the video and you will be able to download the video, as simple as it is. Do you see the video? That's the video that we copied the link from. If you want to double check, it's right over here. So this is how you're gonna go about it, and this is where you're gonna download the video. Simple, clear visual. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.